I have got a revolver from 1955, and it has been passed down through 3 generations of my family. Even after decades of hard use and countless trips out to the woods, the cylinder lockup is still drum tight, the ejector rod runs perfectly smooth, and the mainspring hits with the exact same force it had on day one. It just never jammed. When you compare that track record to a lot of newer pistols on the market today, it is like night and day. If you skip cleaning a modern semi-automatic, or happen to feed it the wrong type of ammunition, it will start failing to feed or getting cases stuck in a heartbeat. But these classic wheel guns are built entirely differently. They are practically over-engineered vaults of steel built to outlast the people who buy them. While no mechanical device has a literal 0% failure rate across infinite timelines, the jam-free reputation in the revolver world stems from frames that refuse to stretch, cylinders that retain perfect timing, and actions that survive extreme round counts without armorer intervention. We are breaking down 10 of these mechanical tanks that can easily survive 10,000 rounds and keep asking for more. Colt King Cobra, original heavy duty, 357 Magnum. This classic from the 1980s is an absolute beast, and you have to know it is distinct from the lighter modern re-releases. The original 1980s King Cobra utilized a thicker frame and a heavy barrel with a solid rib. That extra metal is not just for looks. It adds serious weight that helps absorb the shock of those heavy shots. When you are firing hot ammunition over and over, a flimsy frame will start to warp. That is exactly what you want to avoid. Back in the day, some brands had a hard time keeping their internal parts perfectly synced up after thousands of shots. But this one was different. By ditching the old, delicate V-springs and upgrading to a heavy-duty coil spring action, this gun basically ignores the wear and tear that plagued older, more delicate Colts. Timing is everything. If the cylinder does not line up perfectly with the barrel, you are going to have a very bad time. Thanks to that Mark V action and some incredibly dense metallurgy, this gun basically ignores the wear and tear that would normally cause a breakdown. You can shoot it all day, every day, and that action just keeps clicking into place like a vault. Number 9. Smith & Wesson Model 629 Endurance Package 44 Magnum. If you want to talk about raw power, this is where things get serious. But early versions had a bit of a problem. Early Model 29s and 629s would sometimes unlatch or skip timing under rapid heavy recoil. Imagine shooting something that hits your hand like a sledgehammer. That massive force has to go somewhere, and on the early models, the recoil would literally cause the cylinder to spin past its locking point or just pop open. Not exactly what you want when you are out in the woods depending on your gear. To fix this massive headache, the company had to go back to the drawing board and rethink how the internal parts handled that violent shaking. S&W introduced the Endurance Package in the late 1980s, identifiable by longer cylinder stop notches and upgraded internals, effectively bomb-proofing the lockwork for high-volume Magnum shooters. By making those notches longer, the cylinder stop had more room to catch and hold the cylinder perfectly still, no matter how hard the gun kicked. Upgrading the internal parts meant that the heavy recoil was no longer a death sentence for the action. It completely changed the game and turned this model into a rugged beast that could finally handle a lifetime of heavy use without falling out of time. Number 8. Ruger Blackhawk Super Blackhawk 357 Mag, 44 Mag, 45 Colt. Here is a gun that is so tough, it literally changed the way people make ammunition. This single-action wheel gun is so overbuilt that reloading manuals feature a dedicated Ruger-only section for extremely hot, overpressure loads that would catastrophically fail in lesser firearms. This is especially true for the 45 Colt, because standard 45 Colt ammunition is loaded to very low pressures for antique guns. Modern reloaders realized this massive frame could handle pushing the 45 Colt to Magnum level pressures that would blow up an old Colt Peacemaker. Think about that for a second. The people writing the safety books for making bullets had to create a special, extreme category just for this specific design. If you put those same hot rounds into a normal gun, it would literally blow apart in your hands. but this one just eats them up and asks for more. How does it manage to survive such insane pressure? It all comes down to the sheer amount of steel they packed into the design. Its massive top strap and thick cylinder walls ensure zero failures under sustained heavy use. The top strap is the piece of metal that bridges over the cylinder, and on this gun, it looks like a steel girder. Combined with those extra thick walls around the chambers, the explosive pressure has absolutely nowhere to go but out the front of the barrel. You can spend years pushing the absolute limits of power, and this frame will just laugh at you. If you want to keep learning how to protect yourself and choose the exact right gear for any situation, make sure you subscribe to All About Survival right now. Number 7. Ruger SP-101 357 Magnum. Carrying a small gun usually comes with a huge hidden compromise. Most snub-nosed revolvers are carried often, but shot little due to severe recoil and accelerated frame wear. When you shrink a powerful gun down to fit in your pocket, you lose all the weight that normally soaks up the kick. That means every time you pull the trigger, the frame gets slammed violently, and your hand takes a massive beating. Because of this, people just do not practice with their small carry guns as much as they should, but this particular pocket gun throws that rule right out the window. The SP-101 is built from solid stainless steel with a heavy underlug, making it one of the few pocket-sized wheel guns that can actually endure a 10,000-round duty cycle of defensive magnums without shooting itself loose. That heavy piece of steel right under the barrel adds the perfect amount of weight to keep the muzzle down, taking the harsh bite out of the recoil. You can take this tiny chunk of stainless steel to the range, dump thousands of full-power defensive rounds through it over the years, and it will stay just as tight as the day it left the factory. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Model 10 38 Special. Sometimes, the best way to make a gun last forever is to simply not stress it out in the first place. This is the quintessential K-frame, and because it fires standard pressure 38 Special, the recoil impulse puts virtually no stress on the steel. It is not trying to be a hand cannon or a hunting tool. It was built to do a specific job with a very manageable level of power. When the explosive force is this mild, the metal inside the gun barely even feels it. It is like driving a heavy-duty truck at 10 miles per hour. You are never going to wear out the engine. Because of this brilliant balance between the frame size and the standard pressure ammunition, these things are legendary for their lifespan. Police armories frequently report Model 10s running tens of thousands of rounds across multiple generations of service with zero mechanical failures. We are talking about guns that were carried by officers for 20 years, handed back into the armory, and then issued to the next generation of rookies. They just keep working. No timing skips, no frame warping, no lockup problems. Just a smooth, reliable tool that refuses to quit. Number 5. Freedom Arms Model 83 454 Castle. When you step up to calibers that are designed to stop massive animals in their tracks, you need a level of precision that is hard to wrap your head around. On this masterpiece, line bored cylinders mean each chamber is perfectly aligned with the bore during the manufacturing process. They do not just drill the holes and hope they line up. They lock everything into place and bore it out perfectly straight. This means the bullet does not smash into the sides of the barrel as it leaves the cylinder, which prevents the violent rattling that usually tears guns apart over time. The sheer craftsmanship here is on a completely different level. This 5-shot single action is hand-fitted with such exceptionally tight tolerances that frame stretching or timing loss is practically unheard of. Even after thousands of brutal 454 Castle rounds, every single piece of metal inside this frame is filed and polished by hand until it fits perfectly with zero wiggle room. When a gun kicks with the brutal force of this massive round, any loose parts will slam into each other and cause damage. But because the fitment is so impossibly tight, the whole gun recoils as one solid block of steel, making it practically invincible. Number 4. Ruger Super Red Hawk 44 Magnum 454 Castle. If you are walking into the deep woods where massive, dangerous predators live, you do not want a delicate piece of art. You want a heavy chunk of metal that hits like a freight train. Built for dangerous game defense, the Super Red Hawk features an extended frame that shrouds the barrel threads and offset cylinder notches to maximize the steel thickness around each chamber. By wrapping the frame entirely around where the barrel screws in, They eliminate a major weak point where other guns tend to crack under extreme pressure, and by moving those tiny locking notches slightly to the side, they left the metal thickest exactly where the explosion happens. It is not just built for a few emergency shots, it is built for endless practice with the heaviest ammunition on the planet. It comfortably survives a lifetime of overpressure bear defense loads. These are the kinds of rounds that kick so hard they make your teeth rattle. The kind you only use when something huge is charging at you. You can train with those massive loads every single weekend, and this absolute tank of a frame will never stretch, crack, or fail when you need it most. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Model 686 357 Magnum. Back in the day, a lot of law enforcement officers loved carrying medium-sized guns, but the hot new ammunition of the era started tearing them apart. Built on the robust L-frame, this model was S&W's direct answer to the forcing cone cracking issues found in their K-frames when fed constant high-velocity 125-grain Magnum loads. The forcing cone is a little funnel at the back of the barrel where the bullet jumps across from the cylinder. With those ultra-fast, lightweight rounds, the blazing hot gas and pressure were literally blasting the thin metal of the old cones to pieces, causing severe cracks. They needed a permanent fix, so they bumped up the size and poured more steel into the problem areas. The reinforced forcing cone and thicker top strap make it a 10,000 round tank. By thickening up the crucial jumping point and making the roof of the frame beefier, they created a gun that could eat those high velocity rounds all day long without batting an eye. You no longer had to worry about inspecting your barrel for tiny cracks after a long day at the range. It became the ultimate workhorse for anyone who wanted maximum speed and power without the risk of breaking their gear. Number 2. Manurin MR73 357 Magnum. When you talk about extreme duty use, nothing really compares to the daily life of European elite tactical units. France's GIGN counter-terrorism operators notoriously fired upwards of 150 rounds of full-power 357 Magnum daily during training. Just let that sink in. Pushing 150 full-power blasts through a gun every single day is an insane amount of wear and tear. Most normal firearms would need replacement barrels, new springs, and constant rebuilding to survive that kind of brutal, non-stop schedule. But this French masterpiece is built totally differently. The MR73's ordnance-grade steel and hand-fitted tolerances mean individual examples regularly pass the 100,000 round mark without experiencing structural degradation or lockup failure. Ordnance-grade steel is the kind of stuff they use to build heavy artillery, so it is incredibly dense and tough. Combine that with a gunsmith spending hours hand-filing every internal part until it is buttery smooth, and you get a mechanical marvel. It holds its timing and lockup perfectly tight long after most other guns would have been melted down for scrap. Number 1. Ruger GP100 357 Magnum. Taking the number 1 spot is a gun that looks and feels like it was carved out of a solid block of granite. The GP100 utilizes a solid frame without a side plate, resulting in a dual latching cylinder lockup, front and rear. Most classic designs have a removable plate on the side to access the guts, but that creates a massive weak point where the frame can flex when fired. By dropping the side plate and latching the cylinder securely at both the front and the back, this design stays incredibly rigid. The cylinder simply cannot wobble out of place. This rigidity means you never have to baby it at the range. It was explicitly designed to absorb a steady diet of heavy, full-house 357 Magnum loads without the end shake or timing degradation seen in older, lighter frames. End shake is what happens when the cylinder starts sliding back and forth because the metal frame has literally stretched out from too many explosions. Because this solid frame design refuses to stretch or flex, it entirely eliminates that problem. It is the ultimate heavy-duty survivor that will easily outlive you, even if you feed it the hottest rounds on the market every single day. If you want to make sure you are always prepared, do not forget to subscribe to All About Survival.